That's what this is. Right there. I hope this music is not copyright. U.S. military plane. Is that old?
Yeah, it's old.
They don't make them like that.
I don't know what year. Look at the thing, see what year it is.
Cause the things aren't even that big anymore. Or I just haven't seen it like this close.
Yeah, drop them off. Drop the food. Drop the food and stuff off. Cargo plane.
Cargo plane.
Helicopter.
Cargo helicopter. This weird thing. What is that?
Cargo helicopter. See, can we get a picture of the helicopter? That is. Get a picture of the helicopter. That's you. Turn around and see if we can get a picture of the helicopter. That's you. You standing over there. Look up.
More military things. And this is U.S. Air Force SM Allies F. What the? Oh. The frick? This is a U.S. Army honk. That's what that is. Look at that. And this is the U.S. Army Lions. Look at that. You see that over there. And there's the helicopter right there. And let's see what this is. No sign. What the frick is that? Look like he's fixing to throw up. I don't know what that is, but tell me in the comments. Then we got this.
Welcome back and hope you enjoyed your flight. Once the simulator comes to a complete stop, one passenger seatbelt, please turn on and carry out first trip to the office room.
But now the space station is mostly the Russian space station, right? And then all different countries kind of
Excuse me. Look at this big thing.
When the astronauts stay in space, a space station.
Yeah. What is this called?
Space station. When the astronauts stay in space.
It's called Space Station, I
That's
guess.
the first one.
Next, we got, it looks like a very first submarine. I don't even think I can fit in that.
Them guys going submarines. Come out free. I don't know what's going on submarines. They do something to their mind.
Submarines? U.S. Army night huddles, that's what that is. And then U.S. Army Roland is what that is. U.S. Army Corporal Lance. We got all this and that. U.S. Army night rules. So that is cool. Okay, gonna go back to that in just a little second. Oh, yeah, I still got a lot to do. U.S. Army Little John. Just a missile like shootout at enemy soldiers. Or like a base or something. Would it be worth it at enemy soldiers? But, well, U.S. Army fire. Oh, right here. Exactly. Finally got to what this is called. U.S. Army cigarette. Alright, so the helicopter go. That was called a helicopter too, but it's something different.
building to go through.
It's called a U.S. Army UH-1 ITF. Another old one. Going back this way. Sure. Whatever that is. Whatever that is.
Well, we came in first.
Oh. They went up higher. Might as well go to this first, right? That is. We missing some things.
I want to go in the other one.
Yeah. I want to show all my viewers everything.
Once the simulator comes to a complete stop, all passengers will please return on and exit out transfer to non-personal
U.S. Army Tropical. And then we got U.S. Army Multiple Launch Rocket System. Whoa. There's still things in there.
Wow. That was great.
Yeah.
Top Gun.
Huh?
That's like up on that mountain.
People are getting annoying. Oh, I'm missing so much stuff. Is that a Jeep? U.S. Army Adventure.
Other major medical conditions. Also, fully pre-fronted for beginning
Huh?
7 hours. Yeah. Yeah. Rocket in that. What's going on?
Alright. Well, I'm going now. Peace out.